Okay, let's dive right straight into it right now. Now, first we're gonna start with renaming a table. Then after that, add a colon and rename a colon, add a data type, drop a colon, and many others. So let's start first with renaming a table. So let's go now. We're gonna use this table right here. Says customer order. So let me zoom in. And here we go. We're gonna start with alter table, the table name, customer underscore order, rename, So right now, as we can see, I just need to refresh this, then, and I can see the name has changed. So move on to the next. So right now I'm going to add a colon, and this is the query, the code we're going to use to add the colon. First we need alter table, customer name, add colon, then product order, that's the name of the new colon, then the data type, then how many string it can take with this 20. So let me run it. Then I'm gonna call the table. You can see successful. So let's go. Select. Okay. Press star asterisk from. Yep, customer. And this. Just one. And I need to close this. Yep. Then run. Okay, now as you can see, we have a new column named product order, and we have 20. Moving to the next one. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to rename a colon. All we need to do is alter. We're going to use this a lot to alter the table, then the table name, which is still customer, then our rename, then colon, Then the current name of the colon, which is product underscore order. So the new name which order list, then close. So this is it. Now I'm going to run it. Successfully change the name. Let me get rid of this. Call the table. Customer, then call it. I can see we'll change the name to order list. Moving on. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to add a data type, or you want to change the data type of a colon. Maybe it's a voucher, you want to change it to a char, or you want to change it to an integer. Okay, let me show you. You go alter table. Yep, then the table name was customer. Yep. Then we have another alter again. Alter colon. Then the name of the colon, we're going to alter the data there. Order underscore list, set one that in capital letter, data type. First I'm going to change it to a char. Okay, so increase, let's just put 40 characters, enter, then let's run it. Successful. So I'm going to try something and see. Okay, right now, quick one. I'm going to add a constraint to our table. So I just wanted to know what constraint is and what it does. And there are a lot of type of constraint that you can add to a colon or a table. They're just different types. So you can find out more about it. I'm going to show you how to add a unique constraint to product order, our colon product order. So we start with alter table name customer order add constraint, Now we give a constraint a name. I'll call it pro underscore un. Then the constraint name unique, then the colon name in brackets. So we're gonna add this to product capital letter product order colon, then run. Successfully, I've added the constraint of unique, which means each value we're putting into this colon has to be unique, different. It won't take the same number. Now I'm going to show you how to drop the constraint we place on the product order. Okay, start with alter table, the table name, customer, get rid of order, drop constraint, then the constraint name, pro on, then this, then run, done. Okay, the colon product order. Okay, let's go. Alter table, the name of the table, customer order, then drop. I won't put that in capital letter. You also have it in small, but I like you putting the key words into capital letter. Then drop colon product order. Okay, right now, order table, customer order, drop column, then the product order. Let's run it. Boom, it's done. We have dropped product order and bring out the table, select asterisk from customer order. And see, and that's it. We don't have the product order again. Thank you very much for joining me. Subscribe, like, let's do this again. Bye.